Tuck-in sheets and blankets have elastic corners on one side, like a fitted sheet, which makes it a lot easier to make a baby bed. And tuck-in bedding cannot be kicked loose. When your baby is very little, the cover should not be put up too high. Your baby should also not be too hot or too cold. There are 3 different ways to safely make a baby bed with tuck-in bedding. 1. When you have a newborn and you want to use the blanket single. 2. When you have a newborn and you want to use the blanket double folded. 3. When your baby has grown a little bigger, you can pull the sheet and blanket under the mattress until the desired length is reached.